Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenny. If you missed my free Sizzle N Splits workshop, don't worry. Or if you love this workshop and attended, this video is for you. Let's sizzle and split.
Let's start with some shoulder rolls to the back. And then when you're ready, reverse, bringing that motion forward. From there, you're going to circle out your hips, circle out your wrists, bring your arms up over your head. Maybe smile, feel good. And then from there, reverse and bring the hands back down, still circling the wrists. You're going to bring it over to the right and to the left, and then bring your hands down your body. So you're just pushing your hips off to the side and sliding your hands down the body. Keeping it nice and soft, sensual, warming up our muscles, feeling good, and nice. From there, you're going to slide down your left leg. If you can't go all the way down, bring the hands up higher on the leg. And from there, you're just going to bend and straighten the opposite leg. Slide it back up, and then slide it back down onto the other side. Same thing, bring the hands higher if it's more comfortable. If not, leave them where they are and just bend and straighten the opposite leg. Slide it back up. From there, you're going to walk to the edge of your mat. Tuck the hips under, keeping the core nice and tight. Bring your right leg out, toe is pointed, and just do some gentle kicks up and down. Keep the standing leg nice and strong. And switch to the other side. From there, you're going to slide it down all the way to the ground. Walk your hands out into a plank. Hips shouldn't be too high. Keep them nice and low. And breathe. Drop down to your knees, untuck the toes, and push the hips back. From there, you're going to arch up and sit the booty back down. So a body wave motion, bringing the hands up over the head again. Notice we have a theme going as we warm up our hips, our thighs. You can make the waves big, you can make the waves small, whatever feels comfortable for you. Ooh, getting hot. From there, you're going to drop your chest low, keep the booty high, and push forward and arch the back, and then round the spine. So another body wave motion, dropping the chest low, pushing forward, arching up, and then pushing the hips back. Take your time, articulate through the movement. From there, you're going to bring one leg forward into a lunge, and then take it to a high lunge. Try to keep the shoulders over the hips, and from there, gently pulse up and down, keeping the core tight, breathing, and then hold for a couple more seconds. Then release the bottom leg. And then from there, you're going to flex the back foot and gently kick your heel towards your glute. And relax. Push the hips back, straightening the front leg, flexing the front foot, keeping a flat back. And then returning back to your lunge, straightening both legs and bringing the forward leg towards the back of the mat. From there, you're going to drop your hips low and then pike up high. You can either do this on the ball of your feet or on the front of your toes, depending on what's more comfortable for you. From there, you're going to sit it back down onto your shins and repeat on the other side. So going for your left high lunge and gently pulsing up and down. Shoulders are stacked over the hips. And hold. When you're ready, flexing the back foot, bringing that heel towards your glute, gently pulsing it in. And relax. From there, pushing the hips back again, folding at the waist, straightening the front leg, flexing the front foot, and breathe. Back to your lunge, back to downward dog position, and then dropping the hips low and circling it out again. So whichever way you went the last time, try to go in the opposite direction, or just do both if you forgot, like me. You're going to bring your chest to the floor, hands by your chest, squeezing the elbows into the body. From there, you're going to keep your chest on the floor and pike your hips up as high as you can. So you're just going to slide it up and down. Think about overarching your back, if possible. From there, you're going to arch it up again. This time, taking it to one side, then taking it over to the other side. Arch it up to a cobra. Then bring it back down and roll over to your side. From here, you're going to slide your knees closer to your body into a diamond shape and then extend the legs. So you're going to open to diamond, extend, close to diamond. From there, you're going to swing over to the other side, back and forth. Try to keep your legs squeezing together, feet off the ground. Engage your core. Let's try it on the other side. So knees open up to a diamond, fully extend, back to diamond, then close it up again. From there, you're going to go into your seated pike And wrap your legs and bring it back. Bring your legs up and open up to a V and do a fan kick. So as you fan kick, you want to think about one leg crossing, fanning over as the other leg bends. So the straight leg leads, and then the other leg follows, side to side. Then you're gonna go into your reverse tabletop position, maybe add a little bit of sass. You're gonna press your hips up towards the sky, squeeze your glutes, and start kicking your leg. And then change to the opposite leg. From there, you're just gonna bend your elbows, adding a little bit of push-ups, work our triceps, and then sit it down. Hopefully I didn't lose anybody yet. And then from there, you're just gonna grab some blocks or maybe some chairs next to you or books, whatever is available to you. And you're gonna start out in your lunge. And from there, slowly slide your front foot out. Keeping in mind, keeping the shoulders stacked over the hips. And just holding the position. So if you don't go all the way down into your split, don't worry. Just go to where you are comfortable in your practice. And then eventually, you'll get closer down towards the floor. Then you're gonna gently come out of that split to all fours and circle out your hips. Maybe add a little booty pop. You know I love some sass. And then switch to the other side. Start it in your lunge again. Keeping sure the knee doesn't go over the toes. Shoulders are stacked over the hips. And then when you're ready, slowly sliding out that front leg. Even if you have to get a little bit higher, that's fine too. Remember, wherever you are comfortable in your practice. This is my struggle side, so it's not as flat as my right, but it's still a work in progress. And then when you're ready, just come out of that and circle out the hips.
If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. If you would like more flexibility or more floor work, also let me know that as well. Thank you.
On a tout dépensé, on n'a plus d'argent.